Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you on practical tips on how I edit my video using this one free app. The app is actually free. You download it on Play Store on your phone and you start editing. Yeah, it's beginner friendly. So I use InShot to do most of my editings. All my video you're seeing, I use InShot to edit them. Most of its features are free and they are all beginner friendly. So you can edit a video as a professional. Even if you don't have editing skill, you can edit your video and it will look good and perfect. So without wasting of your time, let's just dive into my phone and show you how I edit my videos. Alright guys, so when you come to your InShot app, when you enter your InShot app, you'll see an interface like this. Go on the video section. So if you just open your InShot app for the first time, you will not see all this drought. These are the 2 drought videos I have already. So I'll go on this. I'll just take this. But if you are going for the first time, you just click on new, this pencil icon. You just click here. You will click here. Then it will take you to your gallery. Then you select your video and you are good to go. So I'll come here. I'll click on this one. That's the one I want to work on. So immediately will open. So you can see how it goes. Now I'll listen to it, how it plays. You get? I'll listen to it and then you cut it. Make sure you cut it at where you want it to be. So you won't have any issue. And if you have many loops, like many breaks, make sure you cut it very well and then you arrange everything and figure it out the way it should be. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you on practical tips on how I edit my video. So I'll add animation here. I'll just put in intro animation. Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome. Most of this animation you're seeing, they are all free. You use them. You don't need to pay any dime. There's this one I usually use. Edit my video using this. Yes. Free. You download it on Play Store on your phone and on your phone. Edit my video. So guys, tell me if you love what we are doing so far. If you love what we are doing so far, please leave a comment in the comment section. Your phone and you start editing. Yeah, it's beginner friendly. So I recommend this app to everyone who is just starting on YouTube. And this app is called InShot. So I use InShot to do most of my editings. All my video you're seeing, I use InShot. If you're doing a video that
is so long, like your posture of speaking, like me, I speak very slowly, so you just have to cut it and then animate, add an animation there.
So I use,
yes, you just add animation so as to make your viewers engage, not that you just sit there and just be talking.
So I use InShot to do most of my editings. All my video you're seeing, I use InShot to edit them. Most of its features are free. Let's dive into my phone. As a professional, even if you don't have a video skill, even if you don't have editing skill, even if you don't have editing skill, you can, even if you don't have it.
So you just delete this one here.
So guys, you have seen how I edit my video. So if you find this helpful, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button, and also share this video to someone who needs content like this, and it will also help the algorithm to push the content more. See you on my next video.